We begin the series with the fabric behind our shoulders. Do a slight pull up to invert into a straddle. You're going to take both your legs inside the fabric with the feet wrapping around. Bend only your right knee, wrap those left toes around the fabric, push the fabric to come into a single pigeon posture. Now you're going to prepare for a foot key by pulling up, rotating the left knee, and sitting up completely on the left leg. Swing your right leg over and throw the fabric so you get it behind the right shoulder. Slightly pull up to come into this beautiful back balance. You can find pause in a moment here. To prepare for the drop, bring your right leg exactly in line with your left leg. Your right hand will go through the gap and hold the right fabric. And then the entire torso will come inside the gap, and that's your drop. Make sure that while you're dropping, your torso is not dropping back, your elbows are bent, very active, and torso is up. Time for slow motion breakdown, everyone. We invert into a straddle, back of the knees extended, feet pointed, taking up one leg up and around the fabric and the other leg as well. We bend the right knee. Crucial is to get the fabric right behind the right knee while you have wrapped your left toes around the fabric. You pull up and push the toe away at the same time. You have to make sure you're pulling up as well, otherwise it can be slightly tricky for your knee. Now, to come into the foot lock, you hold the left fabric, pull up, rotate the left knee, push your pelvis and knee to come up into a foot lock. From here, you should feel the foot lock to be completely stable. You swing the right leg over and throw the fabric around your body to get it behind and under your right shoulder. From there, you pull up to extend both legs. Basically, you're creating space for your back to completely rest on the fabric. Then in this moment, you can find pause, you can find a few pretty poses as well. To prepare for the drop, always think that the right leg has to come in line with your left leg. Your right hand has to go through the gap along with your head and your shoulder. See through the gap to hold the belt on the right side, to hold the fabric on the right side. The moment you're going to bring your head in, you're going to immediately drop and bend your left knee the moment you do that, and do not throw the torso back. Keep the elbows bent. And there you are in your inverted stack drop. Practice this safely and not without anyone spotting you.